Hi, welcome back to the short tutorial. In this video, I will teach you how to use the Snapchat on the PC or the laptop. So how you can do it without downloading any emulator. So watch this video till the end, and if this video really helps you out, do subscribe to my channel. So let's start the video. First of all, you have to open your browser, any browser you are using, and you have to search for the web.snapchat.com. Once you will search for it, you will get a login page right here. Simply you have to enter your username or email right here. Then you have to enter the password and then simply click on the verify and then log into your account. So this is the way. You don't need to download any application in your laptop. Simple way is that Snapchat web is available now in all the countries, so enjoy it on the laptop. Hope this video will helpful for you. If you have any question or any confusion, just drop a comment. I will try to help you. Thank you.